or welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing extremely well. So if you're watching me for the first time, I'm Anushriya. I make videos on beauty, fitness and sometimes travel related content. So if you're interested in such videos, please consider subscribing to my channel and also hit that notification bell. Also don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I post a lot of random fun stuff over there. I'm pretty sure you're gonna enjoy it. So that was quite a long intro. Now let's begin with today's video. In this video, I'm going to share my 5 favorite sunscreen. Now, these are the sunscreen. Those are easily available. आपको किसी भी drug store में बहुत ही आसानी से मिल जाएगा. These are affordable and they work perfectly for Indian skin tone. Now, our Indian skin gets tanned very easily. So, these are the sunscreen that will protect you from getting tanned. Now, without making this intro super long, let's see what are those 5 sunscreen. And to start with, I'm going to start with my Holy Grail sunscreen. This is my favorite, like this is my all-time favorite. Yes, I'm going to talk about Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Sunscreen. Now this is the sunscreen which I can call my Holy Grail sunscreen. I have been using this for years now, and no matter how many sunscreen I use, I always get back to this one. इसका एक बड़ा pack भी आता है, but this is like a smaller pack which is very travel friendly. So this sunscreen has SPF 50, which is just perfect for Indian skin tone. It also contains PA+++. That means it is not only going to protect you from UVA rays, it is also going to protect you from UVB rays, which is very important. And also it is waterproof sunscreen, so even if you are going to swimming pool या sea beach पे जा रहे हो, you can definitely carry this one. This is going to work. Apart from that, it is dermatologist tested, so it is not going to react on your skin. In fact, I have super sensitive skin and it works for me as well, so this is definitely going to work for sensitive skin. What I feel is maybe for oily skin it might get a little oily because I have dry sensitive skin and it doesn't feel dry on my skin. It gives perfect amount of nourishment or hydration to my skin, and also it makes your skin look glowy. So I believe that it might get a little heavier for oily skin. I can't comment on that because I don't have anyone who has oily skin, so I can ask them. So if you have oily skin, do let me know in the comment section कि आपके ऊपर ये sunscreen काम करता है या नहीं. It will be helpful for so many people. Now moving towards the second one, and it is from Lakme, and this is their SPF 50 sunscreen. Again, it has PA+++. That means you are going to get UVA UVB protection, and this one is light non-sticky ultra matte lotion, which I completely agree. This is very light in texture. This is not at all sticky. Again, these are available in different sizes, so you can check that, and I have almost finished it, though it's not visible. So this is one of my favorite for everyday use, but the only thing is they haven't mentioned if it has water resistance or waterproof. So they haven't mentioned there, so that is the reason whenever if it's raining or if I'm going to somewhere like sea beach or pool area, so I don't use this one. I prefer this one. So that is the only thing, but otherwise this is an amazing sunscreen. Now talking about the third sunscreen, which is from Lotus, and this is their 3-in-1 matte SPF 40 sunscreen. Now this is mattifying sunscreen, and also this is a tinted one. So if you're someone who don't like to wear makeup on everyday basis, not even a BB cream or CC cream, you can go for this one. It has like a little bit of tint in it, so it is going to give you that put together look. So you don't need to use any BB cream or CC cream, you can just go with this one. Now it has SPF 40 and it also has PA+++. That means it is going to protect you from UVA UVB rays, as I have already said. Now they have mentioned that it is going to work for all skin type and it is tinted, so I believe that is true because I have super dry skin and sensitive skin and it works perfectly fine for me, though I prefer using a heavy moisturizer beneath this one क्योंकि मेरी skin extremely dry है, and I'm pretty sure अगर मैं सिर्फ इसे यूज करूँगी तो this won't be enough. So I first apply a very thick layer of moisturizer, then I go with the sunscreen. So yes, this is the third sunscreen. Now talking about the fourth sunscreen, which is again my favorite, and this is by the brand Cure Skin. Now I received this one in a PR package from Cure Skin, and I have become a fan of this one. This is very lightweight sunscreen, and it gives perfect hydration to your skin. It is not going to dry out your skin. It doesn't leave any white cast. It just simply add a beautiful layer of protection on your skin with healthy glow. Again, it has SPF 50 and it has PA+++ protection, and this is just perfect for everyday use. Now what I believe, it is bit on pricier side. This is for basics 3450 gram, which I think is bit on pricier side. If I compare it with these products, this is definitely a little pricier, but I won't mind buying it if it's on discount. So yeah, now talking about the fifth sunscreen, which is from Mamaearth. Now this is Mamaearth Ultra Light sunscreen. So someone asked me to review this product, and that is the reason why I bought this one. Now this one is herbal based product. This is paraben and silicone free. This is dermatologically tested, and it is for Indian skin. Now I really love the ingredient. This contains carrot seeds and turmeric. Again, it has SPF 50, and this is going to give you PA+++ protection. Now this sunscreen is again very lightweight, and it doesn't give any white cast. So because someone had asked me to review this, so I'm just going to show you little of the product. So this is the cream, and you can see this is like very lightweight. So as you could see, it is very lightweight and it doesn't leave any white cast, and you can see the glow. This is very hydrating as well. So I quite like the sunscreen. This is very lightweight and perfect for everyday wear. But then again, the problem is that I don't know if it's water resistance and it has any it is waterproof, because they haven't mentioned it. So now I talked about all the sunscreen, and if you'll ask me to put them on rank as per my liking, so the first one is going to be this Neutrogena, second one is going to be this Lakme Sun Expert, the third one is going to be this Cure Skin, the fourth one is going to be this Lotus, and the fifth one is going to be this Mamaearth one. So these are the 5 products, and this one product is always going to be my favorite because of its price, because of its quality, because of its availability. So this is the winner product. If you just want to stick to one product, you can go with this one. But if you're someone like me who love to experiment, who love to try different products, you can definitely try different products. So that was it, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and yeah, I'll see you with my next post. Till then, take care, bye.